All right, love, so let's just jump right into this. I am going to go ahead and contour. I'm going to use the Mega Bronzer in Cool because I'm a creature of habit and I know I like it. I don't have a new bronzer to share with you guys today. This is available on Ulta.com. This is the Blush Crush in Drake from Lottie London. Let's pop her open. I feel like I'm not centered. Ooh. So I really like that. It's really pigmented. I feel like it said it just says powder blush. I don't know. It's cute. It's pigmented. It's very, I like it. And again, this one is in Drake. It's like the peachy shade. Yeah, that's cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go into my eyes. I always like to do my highlighter last. I don't know why, but I just do. I think we're gonna use, obviously I've used Colourpop 1,000 times before, but I don't remember if I even used this palette. I know I hauled it. I forgot what it's called, but it's like the rainbow palette that they put together that you can just buy. And I got it on a really good deal. I don't know if this is the exact same one that's on the website still, but anyway, we're going to play with this guy today. I think I want to use the blues because I have a little shadow from e.l.f. I want to use. I've got these two little glitter guys. If you guys watched my Ulta shop with me and haul with Amanda, these guys were in it. So Lost and Found is this baby blue shade right here. I don't know if it's going to be a mistake. I'm gonna take that same shade on the lower lash line. Going in with a denser brush to put that same shade in the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix Young Love and Hear Me Out. These two, they're matte shades. One's a cream shade, one's a white shade. I'm just gonna pop that on my brow bone. Just kind of bring that blue back down. I feel like I always go so high because I have so much space up there, but I don't like to use all of the space personally. It's totally personal preference. You do you. I used to wear eyeshadow like up to my brow. Like, I mean, I always wear eyeshadow up to my brow, but like the same crease color up to my brow when I was younger. Okay, the dark blue in here is Backstage, so I think I'm gonna take some of this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put all over the lid yet. Probably. We'll see. I don't think it's gonna be as intense of a blue as I want it to be. I should use a blue base, but I can't think of one that I have. Let's see if we can make a blue eye look that I actually don't hate. Let's see. We'll see if we can do it today. Okay, I'm going to mix a little of the blue with this black, which the black is in Let's Do It. Just a tiny bit for the outer corner. There's so much blue, you guys. I think I want to use this shade in Heavenly. Ooh, I need to fix my nails. Story of my life. I'm going to use this shade right here. And I'm just going to pop that right on the inner corner. Kind of blend it. Kind of tap it out. Okay, I'm trying to decide which one of these I want to use because I kind of want to use this one instead. Maybe we'll use both. Okay, so the little blue one, by the way, these are super tiny. If you guys didn't see my Ulta video, it was very surprising to see how itty bitty these are. I don't know how I'm going to do this with a cat nail app, but I've done it before. Let's do it again. So, hello, everybody. All right, I'm going to try and use, what did I say it was? Ocean Eyes. Billie Eilish, anybody? So I actually like this look as it is right now. So I'm scared I'm gonna totally screw it up. But I really want to try these glitters. I'm gonna use just the tiniest bit of the blue one because I'm worried about the blue one way over the silver one. I'm gonna try and do this. I'm gonna use my fingertip to kind of try and tap it out. See if that'll work. That looks pretty cool, especially on screen. I feel like it looks cooler than it does in person because like when the light reflects. Okay, so I'm just gonna again just kind of tap it out here. I think the key with these is just to like start slow and using with the darker shades especially to use your finger to blend. I kind of like it. It's not super dramatic. I'm sure I could put a lot more on and it would be. Okay, I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead with the blue one. I am gonna go in with a tiny bit of Disco Queen, which is the silvery one. Kind of the same thing. I think I'm just gonna keep it on the center of the lid. Just start in the center. Okay, now that I've seen what it looks like, I think I do want to bring it a little further in. If you swipe, it will pick up your shadow, so I definitely recommend just kind of tapping it on with and then tapping it with your fingertip. Okay, wow, okay. So far I'm feeling this, kind of like it. It's a little bit different for me. I don't normally do a lot of blues. The different is I've been in such a funk lately, totally to be transparent with you guys, that I feel like almost everything that I've created lately I've been like, I don't know, but I'm kind of feeling this. So I'm excited. I'm gonna put on some liner. I don't have a new liner, so we're just gonna use Physicians Formula. Let me find my baby, my ride or die, my #1. Hoping this will go over glitter okay, because normally it doesn't really, but we'll see if it goes over this glitter. I don't know what my cats are doing behind there. Liner in Swerve. I literally just ordered this. This is from Colourpop as well. This is my favorite pencil liner, and I thought I was completely out of it. So I thought that I needed to order another one. So I just placed a whole order on Colourpop that I really didn't need, but I thought I needed this. And guess what? I had a brand new one. Life of a makeup addict. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I'm just going to put this on the lower lash line, and I'm just going to blend it out. Ooh, there's a cat hair on there. Don't stick that in your eye. It's always hard to show blending that out, but I'm literally just running it over the liner. The fallout was like non-existent on that. All right, loves, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and some lashes. I'm just gonna wear the ShopMissA Jackie lashes. They are some of my absolute favorite. They're like $1.55, crazy. Oh, and I did just order all 11 new styles to show you guys because they just released a bunch. That'll be up soon. I'm gonna pop these on. I'll be right back. All right, loves, this is what we are looking at. We've got the lashes on, mascara. I need to do an inner corner highlight, a highlight, and a lip, and then we are good to go. You guys, I completely smashed this highlighter that I love using for my inner corner from Revolution. It set the tone. Highlighter Reloaded. I need to order a new one. I would just fix it, but it's one of those baked highlighters that sits up above the pan, so there's not really a pan to push it back down into. I'm gonna try and use it today though. I'm gonna try and carefully not drop this everywhere because that will be messy, messy, messy. Try and put that right in here. Thanks, because I really wanted to use this mix with the other new highlighter, which I might just do. I have two new highlighters. This one is just a new shade in the Revolution Highlighter Reloaded. This is Dare to Divulge. And then I was thinking about using this Mega Moon highlighter from Makeup Obsession. I guess we'll try this one first. We'll try this. I'm not sure this is going to be intense enough. Oh, it's very purple. It's actually really pretty. I just think that it might be a little too much color on my face for me, so I'm definitely gonna pile something on top of it, but it's really pretty as I put 10 times more on. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this guy. So this one again is Dare to Divulge. I really love pretty much any of these that I've tried. And I'm worried this might be a little too dark, but we'll see. You're gonna be okay. going to try and like connect it to the brow bone. Probably shouldn't use this big of a brush, but it's fine. I'm doing whatever I feel like today. Ooh, 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 I like it. Just my type. This is the one that I use like every single day. I absolutely love this one. It just melts into the skin. It's like a nice peachy champagne. It kind of matches my skin tone. So it just kind of gives me personally, as a fair person, kind of that glow from within. This is like if that one was just a little bit deeper and a little more metallic. You can definitely see the metallic aspect of this guy. Oh my goodness. Let's try it. I'm going to wet the brush a little bit with Hyaluronic Fix from Revolution. Go back in just a tiny bit. Ooh, I'm glowing. I'm gonna go back in really quick with my blush brush and just kind of blend the edges of that. I'm gonna tap it out with my damp sponge. Okay, ooh, I like it, I like it, I like it. I gotta find a lip. Be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and popped on a little bit of lip liner. This is the Bella Pierre Gel Lip Liner in Cinnamon. So I just popped that on, and then the lipstick I'm gonna use is a AOA Studio, so ShopMissA. So this guy's only $1, so let's see. I don't remember if I've used this guy or not. This is in shade Shore. I need to clean up my lip line a little bit, but it has kind of a fruity scent to it, and it applied really nicely. Super impressed. I feel like this needs a tiny bit of gloss, so I'm going to take the I Heart Revolution Salted Caramel Gloss and just put a tiny bit in the center. Seriously, smells better than anything ever. Alright loves, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I feel like this is one of the first blue eye looks that I actually really like. I already knew I was a fan of Colourpop shadows, so I'm not surprised at all. Especially when this palette is on sale. This is such a fun, good staple if you want something a little bit fun. I feel like you can definitely get a neutral eye look out of this palette, but it's definitely more of like for when you're feeling like doing something a little bit extra, a little bit more, but I really do like it. And honestly, these are some of the best blending blue eyeshadows I have ever used. So definitely love this. I feel like these used the right way, I actually really like them. I feel like definitely more of a topper, and I'm sure that's like, I mean, they're marketed as a liquid glitter eyeshadow, but I would definitely put down a base first and tap it on. The other shade, the shade that Amanda got, Flirty Birdie, I think, is much more pigmented. So that one you can probably use on its own. But these two that I got, I feel like they're, when you swatch them, they are a little bit patchy. But just putting a tiny bit on and tapping it with your finger out, I really like how this looks. I'm, you know, super impressed by that. Absolutely a fan. The blush, I really like the Lottie London blush in Drake. I feel like it's very pigmented. It's nice and peachy. If you are fair, use a light hand. I tried to go in pretty light, but I still got quite a bit of pigment. But I feel like it's perfect for the blush trend that's going on, and Lottie London is super affordable. Again, I got it off of Ulta online. As always, everything will be linked down below though. I really like that lipstick from ShopMissA. The color is really pretty. I like it more with a gloss. I feel like it's not, I'm like holding this, I should set it down. It's not the most opaque lipstick on its own, but it's also $1 as a nice base color for your favorite gloss or for just like every day. Totally perfect. It does smell rather fruity. It's not overwhelming, but it definitely is there, but I don't smell it anymore. And sadly, I don't even smell the salted caramel from that lip gloss, which I love so much. All of the I Heart Revolution glosses I seem to just be obsessed with. I feel like they stay really well. The colors are all so beautiful. It's a nice range of nudes. Of course, they have other glosses as well, but I really do love chocolate chip cookie dough, chocolate brownie, salted caramel, all of them. So good. Ooh, the highlight, I love. But I mean, I'm not surprised that I love. For anyone that doesn't know, Makeup Obsession is part of the Revolution family. It is one of their brands. This is really pretty. There is a slight purple tint, but I really liked mixing it together with this one. I feel like it just kind of made this one a little more cool toned. I don't know. I like it. I like it. I think everything else wasn't new, but I can tell you, if you haven't watched the concealer video, I already know how I feel about it, and I know it's gonna be good, so, but you should probably check it out anyway, because, you need this in your life, and as always, I love the Revolution Foundation and Conceal and Define. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you like first impression videos, I'm sorry it wasn't a 100% first impression video, but we'll try and do one of those soon. Share if you could. It does help me out so much. Please subscribe. If you have not already, we upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. That's everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. You gonna knock your stuff? You gonna knock mom's stuff down with your tail? You gonna knock it down with your tail? Why you gotta be so crazy? Why you so crazy? Binks just literally keeps walking in circles on my lap. Hey, can you sit down? How am I supposed to do this? Do you want Bloom? Hey, uses his claws. I know he doesn't. You just want to jump up on the. He's thinking about jumping up on the backdrop. Okay, baby, you need loves. You need loves. You would think that he was deprived, but he gets loves. Are you ever looking through your makeup bag and you forget what you're actually looking for? I don't know. Luna has joined. Hi, Luna. You finally ready to say hey? You finally ready to say hey? I love. Whoa, my voice squeaked. Can you see a theme? I'm a fan.